In an absolute value inequality, you know that this value here can be either positive or negative. So what you do first is you write it out in both forms. So when all of this inside the absolute value signs is positive, that would just be the original equation. N over 4 is less than or equal to 3. For the negative form, what you would do is change all of this into a negative expression. So negative n over 4 is less than or equal to 3. The only thing I'm going to change for the sign is the n over 4 because that's the only thing that's within the absolute value signs. Now, all you have to do is simplify both forms so that you have your n by itself. So n is less than or equal to 12 because all I did was multiply by 4. And then you have negative n is less than or equal to 12. Then what you have to do is get this to be positive n so that you can plot it. So you divide by negative 1 or multiply by negative 1, and then you get n is greater than or equal to negative 12. You have to be sure to flip your sign because what you're doing is you're changing the sign of both sides. Now all you have to do is plot these two values. So n is less than or equal to 12, and that's inclusive, so you have a filled in circle. And then n is greater than or equal to negative 12. That is inclusive as well. Then you just draw on your line connecting the 2 points. This problem here would be an AND problem because n is both. It's not either one, it's always going to be both in this problem.